Alright, so my wife showed me this thing on this animal voices site. It's a animal rights site, and this woman posted this post right here about Donald Trump and a fur coat made out of a dog, which is completely probably fake, because that site is right there is known for being fake. Well, so after we looked at a few things of her profile, she's not really an animal rights activist after all. She she has a bunch of pictures of stuff on her site that shows that she's not an animal rights activist. So let's just go through and let's point out all these animal rights activists who say they want to save all the animals. Let's see, let's look at this one right here. Now let's go to the photos and let's see what we can find here. There's gotta be something in here. Let's see. Oh, look right there. It's a leather handbag. And let's see. What else can we find here? Oh look, leather shoes. That's made out of animals, because animal rights activists didn't know about that. All these pictures of animals that they want to save. Alright, let's go on to the next one. Let's see, here's all the comments and stuff on it. Let's see here, here's another one. Julie Bishop, let's see what hers is. Go to the photos. Oh, she don't have any, so let's go back. Oh, this woman said, fuck him, he's a killer. Her name's Sandra Alexander. Let's look at her photos. See what kind of animal she's killing. Oh look at her pretty dog sitting on a leather couch. Interesting. Oh look, another leather couch. Oh look, dog sitting on a leather motorcycle seat. That's an animal. Alright, let's go to the next one. So, she's not really an animal activist either. Alright, let's see here. Let's try this one here. See if we... A lot of people have their stuff private, so you can't really see it. Let's look up this Donna. This is the woman who actually posted this about Trump. And she has a fur around her hands there. Not really an animal activist, is she? She's getting Trump for having fur, and she's got a picture with her with fur. And here's a dog that she's trying to rehome that my wife posted a picture of, and the dog sitting on a leather seat. That's an animal too. Let's see. There's a woman saying, "Hey, watch out, the site's not legit." Wow, one smart person. Oh, look, here's the woman's husband who actually posted that, and he's got his hand stuck up a bird, a turkey. I guess that's not an animal either. Let's see what else we can find here. Oh, look, there's her on the couch with a full fur. Y'all see that? Yeah, full fur. Yeah, what a hypocrite. Some of these animal rights activists are just hypocrites. And let's see, this woman Julie Graham here, she says, "Oh, I hate this man." Oh, look in the background there. Can y'all see it? Oh yeah, that's a leather couch. Yeah. Huh. Another animal dead in someone's living room. Let's see if we can find a few more here. A few people have deleted their comments because they didn't like the post. Let's look at this lady. Let's see. Oh, she don't like killing animals either, but look, right there she is. And what's she wearing? Oh, them some leather boots. Also made out of animals. And let's see here, what else we can find. Oh, look. Her must be her husband sitting on that leather couch right there. This is Sandra Cano. Bunch of animal rights activists I see. They not too smart. And let's see, this woman here, she says, her name's Tanya Coley or whatever. She posted a little meme here. I don't think animal abusers should go to prison. I think that as punishment, they should have the same thing done to them as they did to the animals. Let's look at hers. And let's see her pictures. Oh, look, the first thing that popped up. She is wearing a leather coat. Also made out of animals. Let's see. Oh, look. There she is again. In her leather couch. Yeah, there you are, Miss Animal Rights Activist. Yeah, not too animal rights activist, are you? Look at that leather couch. Oh, this woman put a question mark because she wanted to know why her picture of her dog's on there, because of her leather couch. Stupid ass. Debbie Bliss, she said he's an asshole. Let's see if she's got any pictures on here. Oh yeah, look, there's Miss Debbie here, animal rights activist, and her leather chair holding her little baby or whatever, probably a grandkid. There's a couple pictures of her with horses. That right there is a leather bridle halter for a horse, and look, it is leather too. So yeah, animal rights activists, that's what they look like right there. Yeah. And it's Debbie Bliss. So easy to prove these people wrong if you just have to go and look at their stuff. They're not animal rights activists. They pick and choose what they want to save. That's not how this works. So anyway, this is another video showing you complete propaganda on animal rights activists. And here's a site that makes all the propaganda happen, Animal Voices. And here's the lady who posted it. Oh yeah, we came to find out she is not really an animal activist with all that leather she's wearing. Now let's show you what all those leather couches look like. This is what your leather couch looked like before it was leather. And the animal rights activists are making couches out of your family? Yeah, I know. Sad, right? Alright. That's Connor the cow. Yeah, he's not going to be a leather couch anytime soon.